impedance model-based coordination control of secondary ripple in DC microgrid.
Abstract.
This project aims impedance model-based coordination control of secondary ripple in DC microgrid, highlights the project's aim to improve power quality in DC microgrids by utilizing impedance modeling for coordinated control. This method effectively manages secondary ripples, ensuring stable and efficient operation. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope, and references.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references.
Results.
In this project, the block diagram illustrates a comprehensive DC microgrid system. The PV unit and active capacitor unit both use boost converters to step up voltage, optimizing solar power and stabilizing the DC bus. The DC load unit employs a buck converter to step down voltage for safe load operation. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.